Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to manipulate partition on a Windows computer. You may say, what is a partition anyway? Well, you have a hard drive, but we can divide the hard drive into multiple portions. For example, this is one hard drive. I have C and D. The beauty of that, of course, is you can store different data into different partitions. It's safer and more organized that way. So today we are going to learn how to create, delete, and change the size of a partitions. It can be done in Windows 7, 8, and 10. So this procedure will work for Windows 7, 8, and 10. For these three Windows systems, Windows comes with a program to do it. In the old Windows, you need an extra program, but I guess most people don't use Windows XP anymore. Now, if you have Windows 10, you can go to Container and just type in disk, and you see over here it says create and format hard disk partitions. Just click that one. It will pull up the disk manager. That is the one we are going to use. But let me close that one and show you a different way to get this program out. If you have Windows 7 or 8, you don't have container. So the way I show you just now would not work. The other way is actually universal. It works for even Windows 10. What you need to do is you hit Windows and letter R on your keyboard. That will get run out. And you just type in disk mgmt.msc. I already typed it once, so that's why it shows up over there. And then you hit enter. It will show you a disk manager, and this is currently my hard disk. I purposely make a volume E just for these videos. It has nothing inside, so let's play with it. First of all, let's make it smaller. So you right click your mouse and you will have a menu and you go to shrink volume. So we do that, and you will ask you how small do you want to go. You know what, let's make it half the size. Okay, and we just hit shrink. Now you will create a extra space that is unallocated, and of course the volume E is half the size just now. So on this unallocated space, we can create new partitions. You can only create new partition on unused space, obviously. So we again hit the right keys on your mouse, and it will pull out a menu, and you see new simple volumes. You click that one, and you have a dialog. You can read it, but anyhow, we just go next, and you ask you how big you want. You can use the whole unallocated space, or you can make it smaller to create even more partitions. But let's not do that. Let's use the whole things. And you click next. Then you ask you which letter you want to use. Well, it's F by default, but you can use a letter later on the alphabet. Okay, and then we just hit next. You ask you to format it and ask you to name the volume. So let's call it test. Okay, let's call it test. And we'll perform a quick format. That will be good. So just click next and finish. That's it. So easy, right? So now let's see how we can delete a partition. So this one, we just create it. Now let's delete it. Again, you right click and then you just hit delete volumes. So you delete it, and you will say, hey, do you really want to do it? Keep in mind though, is whenever you delete a volume, all the data will be gone on that volume. The other volume will be fine, but the data here will be gone. If everything goes well, the other partition will be okay. Of course, it's always a good idea to back up data on your hard drive, no matter what you do anyway. But technically, you don't need to do that. So yeah, I'm okay. It's empty anyway. So I click yes. I click yes. And it says it is currently in use. So that may take longer. That's okay. Let's click yes. And yes, it may take several minutes. And I don't think you want to watch these several minutes. So let me stop the recording for now. and then we will come back when it finished. So finally, it finished deleting the partitions. So the last thing we want to do here is let's extend the E partitions. When you want to extend a partitions, you must have some unallocated space adjacent to it and on the right side. If you have anything on the left side, it doesn't work. Okay, now you may say, what if I really have something on the left side? Oh, you know what, it's actually very, very far away, it's not adjacent. Well, you have to do quite a lot of manipulation, move them around to make them adjacent to each other, otherwise it doesn't work. But those are pretty rare, so we're not going to do it. So we just do it simple. Okay, extend invariance. And yes, you just click next, and how much you want to extend. You can extend the whole thing, or you can just extend part of it, and we'll just extend the whole thing. What do you think? So just click next and just click finish. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can use disk managers to create, delete, shrink, and extend a volume. It's very useful on a computer, and you can do it just with a program come with Windows 7, 8, or 10. This is all. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. More video will come up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.